Namaste, Praveen Mankar once again. As promised, I am back to talk about prana energy. But to understand prana, first we must understand the human being. Man, you, me, everybody is made up of two components, namely the human component and the being component. The human component is made up of body and mind, while the being component is pure energy. Being means existing. I exist because the energy flows through my body and mind. I get my identity because the energy flows through my body and mind. The day this energy deserts my body, I will no longer be referred to as Praveen Mankar. People will say, lift the body, wrap the body, carry the body, cremate the body. I have lost my identity as Praveen Mankar the day this energy has gone out of my body. Take the simple example of electricity. In your house, electricity is supplied at 230 volts 50 cycles. It energizes the tube light, it energizes the ceiling fan, it energizes your TV, it energizes the refrigerator, it energizes the oven, it energizes the iron. All your electrical appliances in the house are energized by the electricity. The refrigerator cools articles, the oven heats articles. They all have a different look, they all have different functions, but they are all operated by the same electricity, the same energy, 230 volts, 50 cycles. Similarly, every living being on planet Earth is operated by one energy, prana shakti, life force. The living being can look different. It can be the tiniest ant or the largest dolphin or whale or elephant. All these living creatures, including man, is operated by this prana shakti. And the prana shakti does not differentiate a black man or a white man, a rich man or a poor man, a thin man or a fat man, an educated man or an illiterate man, a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian. Prana Shakti is common in every human being. And it is this Prana Shakti that gives your body its temperature. In one of my earlier videos, I had mentioned that you can take a fast of food and drink and nothing happens to your body temperature. But the minute you stop breathing, your body temperature starts dropping down. So your body temperature is actually a reflection of the energy that is flowing inside you. All your qualifications, all your achievements are thanks to this energy. You could not have achieved anything in life had this energy not cooperated with you. You could not have opened even this tiny eyelid if this energy was not operating in you. Classic example is this world champion Michael Schumacher, who has been in coma for the last 7-8 years. His energy is not cooperating with him, and therefore he has no achievements in the last 7-8 years. So let us be grateful to this prana energy. I will come back with another video discussing the human component, which is the body and the mind. And this is just to keep us engaged fruitfully during these 21 days of compulsory lockdown. Thanks for watching. Take care.